Hello everyone. Today our lesson will be about background removing for hard surfaces. So let's start. First we bring the image to Photoshop. We have the image here. Just zoom in. As you can see, the image is low resolution. So before everything, I want to increase the pixels inside the image by just going to the image panel, image menu, and choose image size. And then I go to the resolution and increase it to 300 pixels per inch. Press OK. As you can see, we increase it the pixels inside the image. We increase it the resolution of the image. Now let's point to an important thing about changing background for the hard surfaces. In the most of cases, we use the magic selection tool to select areas and removing background. But for the hard surfaces, it's not good to use this tool. Let's explain why this is not good. Let's select this green triangular by the magic tool by just clicking on the green area. As you can see, this is the selection. You see, this is a wrong selection. When you want to uh, isolate this, it will not be a perfect. So just we go back and remove the selection by just clicking Ctrl and D for erasing the selection. Right way to remove background for hard surfaces or a low resolution image is to use pen tool. We just go to the edge here and make a pass. As you can see, I make a path for this triangular shape, and now I'm going to convert it by just clicking Ctrl Shift Enter to convert the path selection. Okay, now we have the selection. We just go to this icon to convert the selection to a mask. As you can see, it is isolated now, but it is very hard without there is no fader. To add the fader, we just go press on the mask, the layer mask, twicely. It is opening here the refine edge dialog or the properties of the layer mask, and we increase the fader here to reach the wanted result. I think this is 2.5 pixel is very good for this shape. So I press OK and I have the result. It is really a good result. As you can see, it is straight lines without any curves or bad selections. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope it was useful for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.